you started your spring cleaning? Well, if you haven't, I hope that this video will inspire you to get started. What I'm doing today is inviting you into my kitchen to share with you one of my cupboards. I will declutter that. It is right over there. And as a matter of fact, let me just show you. It's right there above the oven. I am going to work on that space and declutter it. I have some containers that I found from Sam's Club that I will be using to help make it all nice and pretty. And then I will continue to clean in this area here. I have my broom and my dustpan in hand. I will have my duster for a little bit of dusting the floor. And then I will be using some cleaning supplies. These cleaning supplies here, granite gold for your countertop, a blessing. Absolutely amazing. And then this cleaning solution here is by Mrs. Myers. Absolutely amazing. It is the mom scent. Smells so good. Once you're done cleaning your dishes and spray it down with this right here, oh my God, your kitchen will smell so amazing. In any other area that you choose to clean. This video is not sponsored by anyone. I just wanted to share with you the things that I will be using. So you guys continue to watch this video, as I will leave the links to my sister's channels in my description box below. Please go over, visit, shower, and show so much love, and continue to watch this video. So I pray God's blessings and coverings over each and every one of you. And until I see you again, you guys, be blessed. And I thank you so much. Continue to enjoy me as I clean this space and give it a little bit of Easter feel, spring feel, a little bit of flowers, a little bit of bunnies, a little bit of eggs. So you guys enjoy, and I thank you so much. Hey guys, I apologize, but I'm having to do a voiceover here. I messed up and I did not have the time to fix it. But what I'm actually saying here is this is the space here that I am going to declutter and make it look fantastic. I thank you guys so much for stopping by as I welcome you into my home on this day, as we do a little spring cleaning, a little spring sprucing up. And I am going to start here with these cupboards, and then I am going to continue with organizing this space using some organizational containers that I picked up from Sam's Club. And I am going to thin things through and make this space look beautiful. So you guys continue to watch. What I'm doing right now is just assessing the situation. I need to know what it is that I will be going into before I start removing things, and knowing if I have enough energy to actually get this done today, you guys. But I am going to make a very strong attempt at this, and I am not going to do my refrigerator today, but I will share with you what it looks like right now. Now that may have to be another spring cleaning video. So I thank you guys for stopping by. Continue to watch. So this is my fridge. It's just in a little disarray. Not much in there in regards to things that need to be tossed out, because it's just my husband and I. I think right here maybe some chocolate covered cookies or something. But I'm going to go ahead and take those out. And here I have some chickpeas that I had the other night, and I like to eat those as a snack. And then this is some stock that I used the other day. And you know what, when you're in a hurry, you just put things in there and then walk away. So yeah, just need to organize that, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to do that for this video. But I did want you to see what I have going on here in my kitchen space. And like I said, this may be another video for another day. So I thank you guys for stopping by and continuing to watch as this motivational clean with me is part of a close collaboration by some very positive vibe young ladies, young women, sisters here on the YouTube platform, and I will share their information with you. Please go over and visit their channels and shower them with so much love. So here, you guys, is a close-up look of what this space here looks like. Yeah, like I said, a lot of things going on here. Just a lot of stuff. So I'm going to go through and pull some of these things out, discard the things that are not needed, and I am going to make this space look like I deserve for it to look. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to clean, and you guys just continue to watch me as I get this space right. I'm going to get it right. I'm going to go ahead and speed this video up, so for the sake of time, so you guys just continue watching, and I'm going to get it done for you. So if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say I welcome each and every one of you for stopping by. I do appreciate your continuous support for those of you that do continue to support me. And if you're new and if you would like to become a part of my family here, now will be a great time for you to go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and then tap the notification bell twice so you'll be notified each and every time that there is an upload here. I thank you guys so much as I continue with my spring cleaning, and stay tuned for more videos of spring cleaning as I will continue to do the work. So here, you guys, I am placing my kitchen gadgets, and these are my gadgets that I use to for my baking when I do baking, and then I have my KitchenAid and my French press coffee maker up top there, and I think I'm just going to put all my baking items up top. Now this little stackable bin here I picked up from Big Lots, and when I went back to see if they had more, of course they didn't. So I ended up getting a few of those white ones that you see there, and actually they work a lot better for taller items such as cake mix boxes and things of that nature. But yeah, here you go, guys. This is what it looks like here. I have used my little storage containers to place everything in, and I am happy with the way that it looks right now. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section below, but I am super happy with this. So please let me know what you think. So what I'm doing here is taking this bouquet of flowers and assorting them in this beautiful vase and adding some greenery. So you guys, these are the sisters that will be participating. We have Style by Miss Linda. We have Dee Dee, Glamorous Ellen, The Glamorous Fern, Inspired by Chanel, Created with Miss K, The Lovely Jennifer, Gladys, Sophie, D Nice, Glam Queen of DIY, Shamsi, Anu, Elegant Designs by V, Aunt of Aunt's Place, and myself, Gigi Faison, for the love of decor. Please go over and check out all those channels and show love.